कर्णस्वर्णविलोलकुण्डलधरामापीनवक्षोरुहां मुक्ताहारविभूषणां परिलसद्धम्मिल्लसम्मल्लिकां लीलाल्लोलितलोचनां शशिमुखीम् आबद्धकाञ्चीसृजम् दिव्यन्तीं भुवनेश्वरीं अनुदिनं वन्दामहे मातरम्। आनन्दाश्रमशिष्याग्र्यं स्वानन्दाम्बुधिमज्जितम् आनन्दाश्रमिणं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुम्। ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीभवानीशङ्कराय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। शंकरकृत भगवत्पाद आदिशंकराचार्यकृत अवतारी जाल्यारी लीला शरीर धारण केलेले पूर्ण ज्ञान आशिल्लें मागीर क्रमेण गुरुल्या वचून संन्यास दीक्षा उपसत्ती केल्ली इत्यादी इत्यादी जाल्यार हांगा ब्रह्मचर्य अवस्थेन तुमची भिक्षाटन करूंक वतना हो एक प्रसंग. We have been doing the Kanakadhara Stotra. Swamiji had never taken this for me, but he just mentioned once. This is one of the most authentic Bhagavad-pada Shankaracharya Krita, if it can be called Krita, Stotras, along with Manisha Panchakam. So we had been just meditating on this. We can go by the word meaning, which is very necessary. Arth huzaun ka, shabdaचा अर्थ हुजाऊं का, मागीर ताजेर व्याख्या करूं. But even then, the genesis of a stotra also has to be kept in mind. For instance, or any utterance of the Guru. So we have the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which is the crest jewel of the Mahabharata. Now, it isn't that Arjun met Krishna right on the battlefield at Kurukshetra, but something happened. After all his years of association with Krishna, एक salagi म्हणतात. A relationship was built up. And he was aware, because of the samskaras he had received from his mother, etc., Kunti, that this is not an ordinary person. There is something extraordinary about him, and maybe a miracle or two may have strengthened that conviction. But he had not really understood Krishna, nor had he even wanted to, because Krishna was coming to his help in very mundane things. But at that time, in the battle, where he first said, okay, take me right in front, away from the Pandava Sainya, right in the middle of the battlefield, so to say. It hasn't started, and the Kauravas are all lined up. I want to see them, these useless fellows who have been motivated by the blind physically and mentally Dhritarashtra, with a desire to fight. Let them see me, and they'll tremble. And then what happened? Gandivam sansrute hastat pakcha paridahyate. All amangala he started sensing. Now it wasn't he was frightened or something, but there was confusion, and it was so bad that he appealed to Krishna. And he didn't say, analyze me or something like that. He just says, I surrender, shishyasteham. And that prompted something extraordinary in Krishna. And it was Bhagavan Uvacha. It was the Guru, bas. So we don't just take it up as a text. So also the Guru Paduka Stotra. So also Manisha Panchakam. Suddenly accosted, and whom are you talking about? Ityadi. Guru Paduka Stotra also. Asnav Taja. Kalle. What is the connection, similarity? She's always casually, or is it just some tantrokta sutra or shlokas? There is a significance to that, the same. The Shishya goes to the Guru, he is a very qualified Shishya. And he says, I'm not making progress, I'm stuck, or whatever is lament. We also lament. But then that is because of our own inadvertence and non-application. Here it is a very Uchchakoti Shishya. And because it's the culmination of his sadhana. And that it's just the ajnana he feels. There's nothing left to be done. And that prayer, his pain, it again triggered off something in the Guru. And what did the Guru say? I think I have something for you. No, he also goes into that mood. The Vyakti appeals to the Shakti, the Guru. And what does the Guru say? Pranamya samvin margasthan agamagnan mahagurun. Then prayashchittam pravakshyami sarvatantra virodhataha. I will give you the means of expatiation or whatever you say to overcome this delusion. But how do I get that? I don't check out in some books or something. I just meditate upon the Guru Parampara. Pranamya, having meditated upon Samvin Margastha, those gurus who are on the Samvit path, that is Jnana Parak. Agamagnya, Tantra Nishnat. Agamagnya Mary, they have the capacity to bring about the adhikar in the Shishya also by putting him through the necessary disciplines of mantra, tantra, yoga, etc. Agamagnya Guru, and they are not going to get stuck at a certain level of siddhi. They'll take him beyond this samsara because there are Sambin Margasthas also. So Sambin Margasthas, Agamagnya, Ganesati, those gurus, having meditated upon them, now I'll tell you, let that knowledge be received by you, so to say. Prayashchitam pravakshami sarvatantra avirodha. Then you have the entire beautiful Guru Paduka Stotra, which is recited daily during the Guru Paduka also. So we are all collectively doing the Guru Paduka, where in the Vyashti, in the Padukas, you are seeing the Samashti, completeness, the fullness of the Guru Padukas. Similarly, we have the Stotra, this beautiful Kanakadhara Stotra, appealed to, recited with fervor, devotion, when there is a sense of daridrya or need. Yes, financial Kanakadhara, it's so explicit. Gold, that which showers gold, prosperity on the bhakta. But then again, this has been prompted at a very critical time. That young Vatu goes there asking for Briksha, and he sees that flustered lady, Grihini of the house, a senior Vriddha. She goes and she comes out absolutely embarrassed, feeling very guilty that all she could find, locate in her house, edible, was a dried out amalaka. But she gives that also. So seeing that something happened, Shiva Swarupa, and he composed this. So we'll quickly go through it. Angam Harihe Pulaka Bhushanam Ashrayanti Bhringanganeva Mukulabharanam Tamalam Angikrata Akhila Vibhuti Rapanga Leela Mangalyadastu Mama Mangala Devatayaha Mangala Devatayaha Mama Mangala Devatayaha. Of my Ishta Devata or Devi, Mangala Devata, she who confers auspiciousness, prosperity. The Mangalata is very clear. It is not a Lakshmi, it is the Mahalakshmi. That has to alert us that there is much, much more in this stotra that was perceived, and actually what we should also imbibe when we go through it or recite it or understand it. Harehe, of Hari, Angam, Kidrisham Angam, Pulaka Bhushanam Angam, Pulakit Zalele, Romanch. Hari is lying there. What is he in? Yoga Nidra, Samadhi, apparently sleeping. She is alert, she is attending. Pulaka Bhushanam Ashrayanti, seeks refuge or rests on what? Mangala Devatayaha Drishti Drishaha. Her glances, they fleetingly rest on the anga of Hari, and that is responding even in that state to those glances. That is why it is Pulaka Bhushanam. It's not static, it's not a Shava. At the same time, it is not perceiving anything else. Remember this. She is seeing the world. Angikrita Akhila Vibhutira Panga Leela. Now, if you just say Angikrita, she has accepted, she is the repository, she is the source of all the Akhila Vibhuti, that's fine. But then why Apanga Leela? Apanga is Kataksha. Kataksha Leela se Angikaran kiya hua nahi, that which has been embodied, given form to Nama Rupatmak Jagat. She who is creating the Nama Rupatmaka Jagat with her side glances. Otherwise, her glances rest more on Hari. That's the beauty of this. This link we'll come to today. Let's take that. Those glances, that drishti of my Mangala Devata, may those fleetingly at least rest on me. I'll be blessed. I'll be blessed with the Mangalata. Shabdarth. Mugdha muhur vidadhati vadane murarehe prematrapa pranihita mi gata gatani mata drishoho madhukariva mahotpaleya same dishatu sagara sambhavayaha. Sagara sambhava, समुद्र मंथन करने पे जो प्रकट हुए थे रत्न, उनमें से ये लक्ष्मी भी उत्पन्न हुई थी. सागर संभवा है वो, संभवाया उस लक्ष्मी के दृष्टि जो है दृशः सामे दिशतु. यहाँ पे इट्स अ वेरी क्लियर, ये मे दैट गाइड दिशतु, देशिकः दिशति आदिशति. सो लेट दोज ग्लांसेस inspire me, guide me. So it's not just wealth raining down. It is wealth, but wealth at all levels, the sumptuousness. It's not just wealth that it becomes a burden. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, purusharth siddh hone chahiye. That is the prayer. Mugdha, it's a very sweet, beautiful one. Mugdha muhur vidadhati vadane murarehe. Drishaha divyaha Mugdha, Mugdha. It is not Mugdha on the Angikrata Akhila Vibhuti. It is not Mugdha on the Pancha Bhutatmaka Jagat. The Mugdhata is when it is directed at Vishnu. So there, Murari, they fall on him, and it's not a static or a steady glance. Prema Pranihitani. Out of love, out of complete connect, the drishti falls on him. But trapa, gata, gatani, all these adjectives are also there. Trapa is shyness, bashfulness. So it looks at him and looks away. Looks at, so gatani, agatani, drishaha, they form a sort of a mala. Glances like a pearl-studded mala. Her glances completely enveloping him, falling on him repeatedly, and out of shyness, moving away, attending to Srishti, almost simultaneously, parallelly. Gata gatani, mala drishor madhukari eva mahotpaleya. Just as when a lotus blossoms, the bees hover around it, forming some sort of an aura around it, a mala, so also her drishti repeatedly falls on him, moves away. This is not, frankly, to be taken as an analogy or an example. This is a direct perception of an acharya. If you take this Pancha Bhutatmak Jagat, this is my body, this is a table, this is a mic. If I am not aware, I'll hit my nose against this, ityadi, ityadi. This is real. If this is real, that is also real. What is being explained? But for us, it makes sense, we can relate to it. But then don't bring that down at a vyavaharik level. See the connect, take it to that level, the other way around. We are going through this very swiftly so that we can do a little more vimarsh on this. The stature, the grandeur of this has to be understood. आमीलिताक्षमधिगम्य मुदा मुकुन्दम् आनन्दकन्दम् अनिमेषमनङ्गतन्त्रम् आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रं भूत्ये भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः. Bhujangashayi, his Angana, his Shakti, Patni, her drishti, it's all at the level of drishti, just the glance. Drishti is srishti here, so it is being perceived, also appreciated at that level. Bhutye bhaven, mere liye let it be a source of bhuti. Which drishti? Amilitaksham adhigamya muda mukundam. Mukundam, kidrisham mukundam, amilitaksham. He who is unmilanam, opening, milanam, closing, amilitam, completely closed. It's not sleep closing, it's a different, I won't even call it a state. But that amilitamaksham, he is there. He is the asti. Bas, that's all. If you can say, she is the bhati ityadi. So amilitaksham mukundam muda, with joy her drishti falls on him. Anandakandam, animesham. Animesham is without blinking when her drishti falls. It does. It's steady there. Ananga Tantram, description of Mukunda, the source of all desire. And she is the first prasphutana, expression of his desire. That her drishti which falls on Mukunda with so much love, with so much joy, of those eyes, what can I say? Akekara sthita kaninika pakshmanetram. Akekara is half shut eyes. Half shut eyes, kaninika, pupil, and the eyelash. Her side glance. The animesh is when she looks at Mukunda, and probably, I don't think she does nimesh, she won't shut her eyes when she looks at us, but okay, there may be a blink or two. Let those fluttering eyelashes propel her drishti, side glance at me, itni karuna to ho, and that will be enough for me to fulfill me, remove this delusion of jiva bhava. That is the beauty in this. Akekarasthita kaninika pakshmanetram. Bhutye bhaven mama bhujanga shayanganayaha. Again the drishti. Bahvantare madhujata shrita kaustubheya haravali iva harinilamayi vibhati. Again her drishti. Bahu antare, between the arms, the chest. Madhujata, Madhu, the one who destroyed Madhu. On his resplendent chest shines the Kaustubha, and on that Kaustubha her drishti falls repeatedly. It seems to have acquired the Nila Ranga of the Kaustubha. Kama Prada Bhagavatopi Katakshamala. As a series of glances, it's like a Katakshamala. It's not just one glance, accidentally, inadvertently. Kama Prada, it arouses desire. Actually, she is the expression of his desire. Kama Prada Bhagavato api, even Vishnu, even in Vishnu, Kalyanamavahatu me Kamalayayaha, the one who has taken refuge, who is seated, Alaya, whose Alaya is a Kamala, Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi. Kalyanamavahatu, when it falls on me, let it bring the Mangalata Kalyana in my life. Kalambuda Ali Lalita Urasi Kaita Bharehe Dharadhare Spuratiya Tadidangana Iva. Kaita Bharehe Madhu Kaitabha, one who destroyed, who was the enemy of Kaitabha Asura, Hari, Vishnu, his chest, the Kaustubha, and then the chest. Kalambuda. Ambuda, cloud. Kalambuda. It's not just a fleecy cloud or something, or one slight dark cloud. The whole heavens are covered. There's a thick cloud cover. Kalambada, it's like Pralaya Kala. There's going to be a deluge. Kalambada, that sheen, that dark, Shyama Varna. Kalambada, Dharadhare, Urasi. Urasi, chest. The description of the chest of Vishnu. Mahan. Chest of Vishnu, who's there. Sheshashayi. Dharadhare spurati ya tadidangana eva. Ali is a female bee. Again, the drishti is Lalita. They're dancing around. They're not fluttering or hovering. They suddenly dart and move away. Suddenly dart and move away. Again, that is further exemplified in this by saying Tadidangana eva dharadhare. In those dark clouds, there are sudden flashes of lightning, most unexpected. You can't anticipate. There was one, definitely it's going to be there somewhere out there, unexpected. That spontaneity or whatever, all those elements, that rasata is brought out in all those, because the Acharya was experiencing that. So that is being brought out. So understand that. Only thing, we'll go through it again, at what level is this perception. Those Matuh Samastha Jagatam Mahaniya Murti. Now, directly, she is the Mahaniya Murti. She is the most revered, because she is the source of all creation. Matuh Samastha Jagatam Bhadrani Me Dishatu Bhargavanandanayaha. Taking all the Pauranic stories, the Akhyayikas of the Utpatti of Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, immediately connecting it to the very spiritual element of auspiciousness. Then the prayer, Bhadrani me dishatu. May they give me Bhadrata, the Mangalata, the Kalyana in my life, in everything that I do, everything that I perceive, everything that defines me as a jiva. And may I seek that Bhadrata, the source. May I learn to go seek that and not get stuck in objects, attributing all that Mangalata, Bhadrata, the Rasata to objects. That is the whole push of this. That is the Kalyan. Otherwise there will be some totka. Do this, you will get wealth. That will only bring about degeneration of the individual jiva, establishing further his identity as a jiva, not letting him come out of it, not letting him respond to the touch of the divine, ultimately being receptive and permitting the ajnana to be removed. We'll take at least one more new shloka. Praptam padam prathamatah khalu yat prabhavat mangalya bhaji madhum mathini manmathena mayapate tadiha manthara mikshanartham mandala sancha makaralaya kanyakayaha. Yat prabhavat manmatha prathamah khalu praptam mangalya bhaji. He became the recipient of her grace, of that mangalata, kama, desire. Without that, Srishti is not going to go on. There should be auspicious. We Shiva Kama, we pray for that. May I be motivated. As long as there is kartritva, bhoktritva, there has to be work. But may I be propelled, impelled, compelled, or whatever, attracted by the Mangala Kama. And that is being desired here. So that Kama, where was he born? Oh, Puranic stories are many. So here it is attributed to just the Devi. There are a lot of interpretations to this particular year. I would like to put it like this. Yat prabhavat praptam padam, Devi ke prabhav se, yat prabhavat, yasya prabhavat, yasya devyaha prabhavat, Mayapate tad iha manthara mikshanartham. So, Manmath, he received his padavi on account of whose glance, whose drishti, anugraha, madhu mathini. In the process of the elimination of madhu, मधु का मंथन किया गया, उस क्षण में, उस प्रसंग में जिसकी उत्पत्ति हुई, या तो फिर जिसको वो एक पदवी मिली, वाओ, मन्मथ को, कामदेव को. मेकिंग सेंस? सप्तशती का पारायण करते हो ना? आई नोटेड द श्लोकास, सो पुट इन प्रॉम्प्ट इफ आई फॉरगेट. शेषशायी Vishnu. Now that is the Pralaya Sheshashayi. Last time I had taken, I won't go the linear and the immediate sort of a thing. But still, it is Pralaya. Nabhi Kamal में ब्रह्मा बैठे हैं, सृष्टि हो रही है. And there Vishnu Karnamalodbhuto Madhukaitava are born. Lot of vimarsh can be done on each and every episode or word. So we'll have to navigate swiftly into how this Madhu Manthana happened. And they attacked Brahma, sitting there all red, Tejasvi Brahma, thought he was some apple or something. Couldn't do anything. He just invoked her. He invoked her. Mohayaito duradharshau asurau madhukaitabho. Then prabodhancha jagat swami niyatam achyuto. If I am stuck, you prompt, don't interrupt. Prabodhancha jagat swami niyatam achyuto laghu. Bodhascha kriyatamasya hantumetau mahabalo. It's beautiful, very significant. It is not yet the time for Vishnu Jagarana to happen to do the sthiti, because Srishti is still in the process. He is still on his break. And suddenly he is being emergency. Chal now. He has to appeal to her only. Wake him up. प्रबोधंच जगत स्वामी नियताम अच्युतो लघु. शीघ्र उसको लाना यहाँ पे सज्ज करके. बोधश्च क्रियतामस्य हंतुमेतो महाबलो. He just got up. He may be a little bewildered, looking around. So you told him, this is Brahma, this is your friend, this is Madhu, this is these two fellows. You have to deal with them. They are not your friends. Prabodhancha jagat. It is a Shakti that is doing this at that stage. So she is appealed to. But here, Mohayaito Duradharshav is also there. That is only brought up in the Devi Bhagavad. It doesn't much appear in the Saptashati per se. It is said that when Hari came there to fight with the Asuras, they were already activated. It would have been a difficult battle. She did the Mohana. She came there as a very beautiful Stri. Seeing her, Madhu and Kaitabha were charmed. Of course, we were paying attention to Hari, but their intensity was misplaced. And they wanted to impress her. And in that, they asked him, Varosmatto, whatever you want, you ask. Those Asuras are asking their enemy, Hari, you ask, demand, looking at her, wow, not only fighting him, giving him a chance, okay, handicap what do you want? So he says, okay, may you die off at my hands. So that Mohana was done by Devi. They lost their focus. That is the Utpatti of Kama, is probably what is implied here. And that is what we also want. When we say, Magachhastvamitastato girishabho, Mayyeva vasam kuru. Swamin, he adikirata mamakamana kantara simantare vartante bahusho mriga madajusha. They are very strong, all the ripus, shadripus in my heart. They have to be placated. Okay, then you can deal with them. So the mohana also of the inimical Shaktis are done by the Devi. They are misled, they are distracted. The sadhaka, as the sadhaka focuses, they lose their control over him. Then what Hari has to do will be done. Meditate on this. So that Mayapati, now who I am enmeshed or drowning in the samsara sagara, apatti everywhere. Ikshanardham, ikshana ardham, for a second, may or drishti, rest on me for just a second, that will be enough. I'll be blessed. Emancipation. That same drishti which goes about doing the srishti alone can repair the damage, so to say, and give mukti. Srishti is being done by Ishvara, and Guru struggling to give mukti doesn't work out. It is the Shakti which does the Srishti, Sthiti, Laya alone can also, which is doing the Nigraha in the process, alone can do the Anugraha. We had just taken the Upanishad Vakya without going too much into details there, but I think it is a good pravesha again into Vedanta. Ekoham bahusyam prajayeti ityadi. It goes on. Ekoham, ekah, one. One implies many, not many, one. So only from there the Srishti Krama can be brought out, even in the Upanishads, for the, out of sheer compassion, for the Shishya's mind to stabilize on what is happening. What is this Nirguna and what is this Saguna? Not even Saguna, the Panchabhautik. And is mukti a state of mind? Is it samadhi or something that is to be perceived? So this perception, again now drishti. So what is our drishti? In our parlance, drishti is I am, I see something else. Only if I see something else, then I see this. This pen, me, I see this pen. Triputi is always there. In the drishti, when punah gata gatani drishti on Mukunda, there is actually no triputi happening. Only in the Angikarana it is again Srishti. So Ham Rupena Prakatanam is happening there, but the Triputi arises only where there is Ajnana and from the perception of the Jiva. Even the Ekoham and Bahusyam is the Ekaha Aham. Ekoham is not one statement. Ekaha Aham. It's not just Aham. Ekoham. Aham is the Shuddha Nirgun Nirakar. The Ekoham, I am, is the Vimarsha of the Prakasha. Aham, attributed to that. This is pure Prakasha Vimarsha. Just as in at our level, we understand something, then we do the manthana, and then something absolutely new flashes up. Vimarshva. So this aham, eko ham, this recognition at that level is the vimarsha of the prakasha. There is no objective understanding there. That happens in the angikarana, in the srishti ityadi. That is why the emotion, whatever is brought out, in the drishti on Mukunda, on Hari, on Ripu, Madhuripu is totally different. There is total aikya. A perceived difference, but the complete aikya, all that love has been brought out in the drishti on Mukunda. That is the vimarsha of aham. It's not different. And then it goes further into Srishti, and then of course the Pancha Mahabhuta, and then the complete identification with the Pancha Mahabhuta, etc. And then the samsara begins. So we have to purify our drishti, where the aham is identified, understood. Again, be careful with words that I am using. When you go into Vedanta, Vedanta doesn't try to define the Atman at all. It says, not this. You are prepared, not this, not this. You have to move ahead. That means you have to go deeper and deeper. The moment you define, you are finished. Again, there is Triputi. And your vimarsha will be, oh, I am a Brahmagnani. Oh, no hopes in this life at least. So, with that caution, appreciate this, it's beautiful. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, prada. The identification is so strong. Getting ready for a party or some function, look in the mirror. From foundation onwards, everything has to be redone. Then you feel good. Not permitted Navata. Dar lekale makeup an kon कहता है फिल्म जानतो नाचता है I have nothing against makeup. बहुत plaster कोण घेतल्या मात्र ये बाद है but that's a matter of taste. कुछ कह charming, so sweet and so on. But here, what I am trying to, it's not politically correct. This I never cracked this joke. Gender bias. But the bias is what I think I am trying to highlight. If this is a poor, feeble joke, it is the joke is on us. Something that is not is being put on, and then you want to live your life with that, it's not going to work out. At a deeper level, the sharir ko leke, this I am, and you expect shashvata sukha, it's not going to work out. So the feebleness is in the attempt to extract shashvata joy with implements that are necessarily ashashvata. Asukham lokam imam prapya bhajasva mam. Why asukha? Because anitya. Taking these equipments, these instruments which are necessarily ashashvata, aspiring for shashvata sukha, or being blind to the possibility of shashvata sukha, which is your atma swarupa, is a feeble joke. We crack at our own expense. Yamimam pushpitam vacham pravadanti avipashchitaha vedavadarata partha nanyadastiti vadinaha bhogaishvarya prasattanam tayapaharita chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhi samadho na vidhiyate. Right in the beginning, even when compelling Arjuna into work, there is a way of going about it also, has been told. Yamimam pushpitam vacham. Narayan, the Lord himself is saying, even the Vedas, where the karma kand is involved, they are promising you so much. This swarga, that bhoga, etc. And people who are infatuated with that and, this is what I want, and then do the karma, they are being misled. They are not going to attain to something what I want you to receive as my Shishya. Pushpitam Vacham, flowery words. Na Panditaha, Vipaschitaha, Vedavadarataha Partha, Nanyadastiti Vadinaha. So, Bhoga Aishwarya Prasattanam, Bhoga Aishwarya. This is what I want, this is what I want, this is what has been promised in the Shastras. The Shastras are giving you a way of achieving it, but if done correctly, they'll also liberate you from the karma bandhana. Just going for the result that has been stated in the Shastras, then indulging, or aspiring for specifically that result, not doing the yajna also, yajnavat, is going to be a matter of furthering your bondage. Vyavasayatmika buddhi samadho na vidiyate. For such people, their buddhi doesn't become nishchayatmika. It cannot focus on the tatparya of the Vedas, which is brought out in Vedanta. Traigunya Vishaya Veda Nistraigunyo Bhavarjana Nirdvando Nityasattwastho Niryoga Kshema Atmavan. And immediately the injunction comes, do this, become Atmavan. So even when we go through this stotra, may we pray for the drishti which is going to liberate us, not make us more dependent on the bhoga aishwarya that is also promised in the Vedas. Yajnashishtashinas santo muchyante sarva kilbishaihi bhunjate te tvagham papa ye pachanti atmakaranat. Now this has become a big thing, eco, understand your responsibility. This is ingrained in us. These are our samskaras, all the rinas that have to be paid back. Whatever you're doing, a huge amount goes in charity, a huge amount goes towards the devatas, with whose prasada you get good things in life. If that is forgotten, then it's just me. How do I acquire and how do I accumulate, and hopefully how do I enjoy? By the time the accumulation has begun, the capacity to enjoy is also finished. Sad. So to avoid this, understand your connection with the perceived universe also. The rina that you have towards elders, towards nature, whatever you say, rishis, etc., fulfill those obligations. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, fulfilled. This is what we want. This is the Mangalata we want. And this has been highlighted. Her drishti on Vishnu is totally different from the Srishti drishti, and we are craving one side glance also, which will again release us from this Mahamoha, again created by her for his enjoyment. It is his Ichha Shakti, his Vimarsha of let me see myself in many things. अखंडता, खंडित होके अपनी अखंडता को पहचानने का प्रयत्न, उस स्तर पे वो आनंद का अनुभव कर रहा है, वो अखंड तत्व। पर प्रत्येक खंड वैयक्तिक रूप से अपनी अखंडता को खो बैठा है और अपने खंड खंड में ही खंडित हो रहा है। नो, so this aspiration is not to get 3-4 more together and say I am akhanda. Let go of that khandita bhav and realize you are the akhanda. So this quick shift has to happen throughout, even as you pray. And here it is yajna shishta ashinasan. Ashina, what they accept, what they eat, what they पंच महाभूत शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध से जो ग्रहण करते, भोग करते हैं, which gives satisfaction any level, that satisfaction has come as prasada. So that sort of a life, that orientation is what is craved for when you do this stotra. If the emphasis is only on the Kanaka Dhara, then the Kanaka or the Hiranya, you say, Hitancha Ramaniyancha, it is hitam, it is Ramaniya, it is attractive, at the same time it is hitakari and something that is Shashvata. Lakshmi, Anapagaminim Lakshmi. Sukta mein kya hai? Give me that Lakshmi. Hey Agni, I am propitiating you because you alone can bring that Lakshmi. But apagamini, that which comes and goes away again. No. Shashwata Lakshmi, mere jeevan mein lana, there also the prayer is for that. That is the saundarya, that is the blossoming of the spiritual. And in that fulfillment of all the other purusharthas are also implied. At that stature, and especially if you accustomed to Vimarsh, etc., I try to understand this when you have your subsequent readings and Vimarsh. This is the purest expression of Prakasha and Vimarsh that is happening, and that is what I seek in my life. So behind every perception, behind every interaction, may I sense the divine that is willing to help me, willing to guide me. Dishatu is the prayer, guide me, not just give me. Dadatu ne dishatu, may that guide me, has come out so strong into understanding this. मेरी दृष्टि गुरु की दृष्टि, गुरु दृष्टि मेरे पे हो, ठीक है, गुरु दृष्टि चाहिए, गुरु दृष्टि. As the Guru perceives, may I perceive, may I move in harmony with that. So my obsession cease, and then my sense of responsibility with which I can justify my obsessions or limitedness, that also ceases. I let go. This has to be seen like that. And there is a response. That's why I'm not trying to define this particular year. It is not the kalpa of pralaya and the pralaya Sheshashayi Vishnu. It is the nirguna that is being hinted at. And at the same time, the beauty of Prakash and Vimarsh has been brought out with that simple ye, Pulaka Bhushanam Angam. He is not receptive to the Srishti because there is no Srishti in him. It is his Ichha which is presenting the Srishti. Meditate upon this repeatedly. Again, yoga च विचार कौन कर का contextual. Certain things are not politically correct, and this is, I think, after pandemic, this has to be understood even better. Pandemic. So, actually, all new talents and all people discovered. I did a little bit of cooking, Darl Mami on Sangta, at least washing of dishes, no servants, nothing. And that thing continues now. There's a work from home. So I just check out, are you working from home or are you working at home? That's the situation. So poor fellow has to work from home. But there is a lot of work at home also. She is asked to do something. So dharma sankat, dharam sankat ho gaya wahan pe. Working from home, or should I be working at home? Then he needs a break, a coffee break. And he's just with some of his friends. Gappa maar ke aayega. If he is denied that, then what? Chike mind fresh kar kashila. So he goes to sleep. Lady of the house moves in, she is doing her work. He senses she has come into the room. His Pulaka Bhushan is different. Itta Sagdo Dios Nidon Chizata. Kittle calm Perlia. It's not horrible, it is horriplations. Anticipation of, oh, I'm going to get it. Hair standing on him. This is not what is implied there. Contextual. It is a sheer joy recognition of aham, eko ham. This is not even mine, this is me. That recognition is happening in Vishnu. Otherwise, there is Nirgun Nirakar. That is why it is so difficult. I don't touch that. I don't try to describe that. Till there, this stotra leads us very gently, very beautifully. Back off. Even her drishti backs off. There you surrender. Bas. At the most you can say Tavai Vasmi, and that Asmi also fades. Let us get that strength, let us get that joy, let us get that conviction. It is attainable because it's not far off. This play is being enacted even now. So may I be a fully active participant in this, As a nimitta, let me do my whatever I am supposed to do, my kartavya, knowing fully well my kartritva, my power, ichha shakti, kriya shakti, jnana shakti. This shakti is the source of it. As I move towards it, as I meditate upon it, that is why it becomes extremely important. Vedavadarata partha malyantanto. I am doing so much. Every year I go to my Kula Devata. 4 times a year I do this havana, this yajna, etc. This is the bill, how much I donate, etc. Wonderful. What are you doing it for? So that I get more to compensate. Oh, fine. Whom are you doing it for? Okay. Towards whom are you addressing when you do this? Are you aware of that, or it's just yours that you are giving and receiving, which becomes yours again and again, becomes a bigger burden? The connect has to happen. And that will be so beautiful, then you will dare to become a nimitta. So your kartavya will go on, but not bind you in it. Your kartritva, bhoktritva will also start fading off, to be released into the infinite. That is the goal. When we meditate upon this Kanakadhara, it's a stream of graciousness, it's a stream, unending stream of love, of anugraha. Maybe we should be recipients, but not view it objectively, understand it as the fullness, overflowing, outpouring of the soul. Vainava. Hitam रमणीय को ना तो हितम पूरा बच्चा है, नहीं तो क्या करेगा? कल जाऊँ का चॉकलेट, व्हाट इज हेवन फुल ऑफ चॉकलेट्स, भूख लागल्या भाई हाँ जाऊँ का त्या जाऊँ का पोट भर नांग थाय भरल्या मैं आनी जाऊँ का मैं म्हणता ती बर सुद्धा एक अलम यात थंय. सो त्या दृष्टी सुद्धा तशा आयल्या रे. इट्स एट all levels the mangalata, that saundarya jivananti ava. विचार कराते. खेळ तुझे करूया. ताल अंतकले घोटाळ जाल्यार तुगल चुकी म्हणून. Kalyashil Nimguncha Shilva. Anything specific? Questions? While I deal with technology. Anything Kalyashil में? high. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्यात ध्यान मग्न अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे व्यक्त करी जगी आम्हा. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्यात ध्यान मग्न अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे व्यक्त करी जगी आम्हा. प्रतिलेखा आम्ही जाणे ब्रह्मानंदी येत विघ्न प्रतिलेखा आम्ही जाणे ब्रह्मानंदी येत विघ्न मायेशी सख्य तुझे भिन्न माया दारी आम्हा. मायेशी सख्य तुझे भिन्न माया दारी आम्हा. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्यात ध्यान मग्न अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे व्यक्त करी जगी आम्हा. दुष्ट जग लेणे तुझे रूपे भासी का विच्छिन्न दुष्ट जग लेणे तुझे रूपे भासी का विच्छिन्न अदृष्टाशी सख्य तुझे कष्टमय दावी आम्हा. अदृष्टाशी सख्य तुझे कष्टमय दावी आम्हा. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्यात ध्यान मग्न अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे व्यक्त करी जगी आम्हा. कर्ता क्रिया स्वयं होणे आणिक तू कर्माध्यक्ष. कर्ता क्रिया स्वयं होणे आणिक तू कर्माध्यक्ष. कर्त्या पायी सख्य तुझे संचिताचे ओझे आम्हा. कर्त्या पायी सख्य तुझे संचिताचे ओझे आम्हा. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्या तू ध्यानमग्न. अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे व्यक्त करी जगी आम्हा. कैची देवा ही करणी सांग मी तुकारे भिन्न. कैची देवा ही करणी सांग मी तुकारे भिन्न. चक्षुपरी सख्य तुझे मूढ म्हणे गूढ आम्हा. चक्षुपरी सख्य तुझे मूढ म्हणे गूढ आम्हा. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्या तू ध्यानमग्न. अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे व्यक्त करी जगी आम्हा. खेळ तुझे जीव घेणे पाहण्या तू ध्यानमग्न. It's just a repetition of whatever we have been doing this bhajan. It's the same thing coming out. खेळ तुझे जीव अव्यक्ताशी सख्य तुझे. Your identification is with the avyakta. The Devi's drishti on Vishnu. Vyakta kari jagi amha. But then the concluding one, kainchi deva hi karani. If it is impossible to describe Brahman, it's equally impossible to describe, explain Maya, Hai Shakti, the work It's only karyanumeya. Kainchi deva hi karani. Sanga mi tu kare bhinna. And if you don't, chakshupari sakhya tuze. Your friendship is just like aupacharik. But this is the truth. Abhinna. Moodha mane goodha amha. The moodha, that doesn't make sense. Goodha amha. We are happy with the results, so to say. What is the truth? Yesham paranna kuladaivatamambike tvam Tesham giramamagiro na bhavantu mishraha Taistu kshanam parichite vishayopi vaso Ma bhut kadachitapi santatamarthaye tvam Ma bhut kadachidapi santatamarthaye tvam Gurubhyo Namah. Aim Hrim Shrim Gurubhyo Namah. Aim Gurubhyo Japam Siddhirabhavatu me devi Tvatprasadam Maheshwari Bhavani Shankara Mama Sharanam Bhavani Shankara Mama Sharanam Bhavani Shankara Mama Sharanam Ma Janani. Mount Abu तो राजराजेश्वरी विग्रह है लॉर्ड ऐसा बड़े स्वामी जी मस्त पूज के ले सोम स्वामी जी मस्त के ले He used to tell me during Purnima he would take the Vigraha to the terrace. आपने देखा होगा, beautiful one. It's very royal. So I used to be alone there. So पूजा वगैरह होती थी, अलंकार and this. Just something I mentioned reminded me. The dresses were there, the ready-made cut, all lace and very thick, tight like that. Such a beautiful Vigraha. I just didn't like it. It made me feel claustrophobic after the alankari karna. So I used to fashion, cut silk pieces and then get somebody, some senior sadhika, nail polish, get correct consistency, 2 dots on the cheek, and then with wait, let it dry off a little, and then with wool, cotton, soft, not buds, just rouge, just it would enhance the whole thing. Daulanastaleji, alankar. So I have nothing against alankar. But then let your self-worth come out. Don't be dependent on that. Am I looking good? Is everybody appreciating? Then inside, confidently as you are. एक बार I just concluded suddenly. करके देखा तो स्वामी जी पीछे से देख रहे थे. It was so sweet. He was very tickled. नन्दन्तु साधकाः सर्वे विनश्यन्तु विदूषकाः अवस्थाशाम्भवी मेस्तु प्रसन्नोऽस्तु गुरुः सदा सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ओम नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव.
Yes, yes.